CEO and co-founder of So They Can, an NGO empowering some of the poorest children across Kenya and Tanzania through our education and our community enhancement programs. It gives me a huge amount of pleasure to thank Rupali and Rusty and Get Rare Properties for being such a fundamental part of our So They Can family. We are absolutely overwhelmed and in awe of and just totally grateful for them. They now sponsor 20 of our children that we support across our 3 communities in Africa, and they are literally saving the lives of these boys and girls. They, through their sponsorship, are preventing boys moving into cattle rustling and risking their lives at the age of 10 and 11. And also through their sponsorships, they are enabling girls to not have to suffer female genital cutting and child marriage from the age of 9 years old, but rather their sponsorship is supporting these girls to come into our rescue girls' schools where they receive an education, care and protection, mentorship, and just the love and understanding of them as human beings that they and every child around the world deserve. So the impact that Rupali, Rusty and Get Rare Properties are making to some of the poorest children in the greatest of need just cannot be overestimated, and we're incredibly grateful, as I said, to have you in our So They Can family. We love how involved you are and everything about you. So thank you very much, and long may this lovely family and partnership work. Bye.